Hello, welcome back to the Discovery channel, Discovery Workshop, sorry, ASMR. With me today I have this ornithopter called the GoGo Bird, and this is just going to be an unboxing video. So I'm just gonna showcase what it comes with. Oh, which way am I going to open? No, I'll open it the other way. So I'm going to open it this way. Hopefully, no, actually I'll open it this way.
There we go.
Oh, wait. So here we have the components to this radio controlled Peacock. I can get that off without. Here's the wings. Ooh. These wings. Comes with this little manual thing. I'll open that in a second. The instructions here all appear to be in Chinese or something, so I'm gonna have to download it from offline on the line site. That's our peacock thing. This is tail. Yeah. Here's the transmitter. And that's a little screwdriver thing. It comes with a little screwdriver. Yeah, I bought this off of AliExpress. This looks like the battery or something. I bought this off of AliExpress, so yeah, it was about $300. So that's where you can get it from. The other one is a hawk, so you can also, if you prefer something less colourful. I only got the colourful one because, you know, if you lose it in a tree or something, it's easy to find it. You know, maybe a bit harder to lose a colourful bird than a one that's just grey, and that just looks like it clips on there. By the looks. Yeah, that I think is the tail. That looks pretty easy. Yeah. So that's. I'll put this over here. Wings. Gotta look after these. They seem kind of a little bit delicate. They seem like they just clip in somewhere, like so. Like that. And here's the. Now open this. Yeah. What's in here? Yeah, so I'll leave a link in the description for where you can get this from. This looks like all the instructions in Chinese again, so it doesn't look like. Oh no, you got the instructions also in English here, so you got to get to the halfway and then it starts telling you stuff in English. So I got some help there. But yeah, I just want to wrap it up here, and yeah, this is just an unboxing video. I'll be doing another video soon on getting it going, and then I'll do a third video on flying it in the park. So yeah, that about does the review on unboxing.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, looks pretty good.
Share.
Yeah, like and subscribe. And
share to Twitter, Facebook.
Over and out.
Okay.